As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Traveler. Big price difference right off the bat. The Char-Broil is only $139, while the Weber is $449.
Yeah, that's a huge difference. What are we getting for the extra cash with the Weber?
Well, the Weber is definitely pushing the portability angle. It's designed to fold up and fit in a car trunk. It's lighter too, 32 pounds, versus the Char-Broil's 37.5 pounds. And, the Weber has an attached cart for easy setup.
Okay, portability is a big plus. But what about cooking power?
The Char-Broil has 20,000 BTUs across two burners, plus an 8,000 BTU side burner. The Weber only has one burner with 12,000 BTUs. So the Char-Broil seems to offer more overall heat.
More heat. Got it. What about cooking space? I like to grill for a small group sometimes.
The Char-Broil has 280 square inches of primary cooking space. The Weber fits about 15 burgers, which is a bit bigger. So the Weber might be slightly larger, even with only one burner.
Interesting. And what about durability? I don't want something that's going to rust out after a season.
The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates, which are economical, but maybe not the most durable. The Weber uses porcelain-coated steel, which might be a bit tougher. The Char-Broil does offer a longer warranty on the burners, though. 5 years versus Weber's 5-year limited warranty.
Okay, so Weber is playing the portability and brand recognition cards, and Char-Broil is trying to win on price and a bit more cooking power.
Exactly. The Weber also has some nice features, like tool hooks and a side table.
Good to know. And I noticed that the Weber got better reviews, 4.6 vs 4.1.
That's true, but there are twice as many reviews for the Char-Broil.
Okay, I see. So it really comes down to whether portability and the Weber name are worth the extra money. If not, the Char-Broil seems like a solid, budget-friendly option.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.